Good.
Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about one of the most important tools that I use and that most beekeepers use, and that is a bee smoker. First things first, what exactly is a bee smoker? It's a tool that we use to calm the bees down during hive inspections. Pretty much as soon as I dive into a hive, I'll light my smoker, get it going, and pretty much smoke the top and kind of start working the frames. And then as I get deeper into the hive, if they start to get a little more excited, I'll start smoking it out again. Just asking a question out there today, if you know, your fellow beekeeper, what do you use for your fuel in your bee smoker? I typically use wood shavings that I buy from Tractor Supply for a chicken coop. They seem to light well and stay lit for a while. They produce a nice cool white smoke. I've seen other beekeepers use pine needles, paper, cotton rags, lavender. Just wondering what you guys use out there, and if you've had any luck with one certain thing rather than another type of fuel. Sometimes the wood shavings that I use won't light off like super fast. It takes a little bit to kind of get it going. But if you could, just leave a comment down below and let me know what kind of fuel you use for your bee smoker. Seems to be most beekeepers tend to use pine needles or even burlap. So just curious to know what you guys are all using, and yeah, I'll respond when I get a chance. One of the best tips I got for lighting my bee smoker is actually one of those Bernzomatic torches like you see here in the video. Awesome, great way to kick off the bee smoker versus lighting a bunch of matches, but I guess could get costly over time by buying a bunch of fuel for it. But I've had that same canister last a whole season so far. So, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video.